Hello there, Gary here. So I've been using the S21 FE for a few days now. Stay tuned for my full review of the phone, but in the meantime I've got my hands on the full lineup of official Samsung cases for the phone. So sit back, relax and let me show you the 6 cases in full. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what your favourite is. So there you have it. What's your favourite? For me, my favourite is the clear case with the kickstand, purely because I like cases that are minimal. Of course, first party cases aren't usually cheap, and this is the case with the Samsung cases. So whilst they're decent, I would always go for a third party case like a Spigen, which for me offer better value for money. Leave me any comments or questions down below and I'll get back to all of them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers.